Hello, and welcome to TPM's 4-Minute Friday. My name is Dan Warren, and I'm an application engineer here at TPM. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Autodesk Desktop application. Specifically, we're going to look at a workflow to help standardize the application manager settings for company-wide use. This has a few useful benefits. First, it standardizes your end user's desktop application behavior company-wide. Additionally, we'll reduce the total bandwidth used to download Autodesk updates, meaning each update for any product is downloaded once and it becomes instantly available to each of the end users, which in itself has an additional benefit because transfer speeds within your company's network are usually much faster than download speeds from the Autodesk server. Your users will typically see faster updates. So let's get started. Access the Desktop Application Manager via the toolbar or the Start menu. Under the Sign In drop-down menu, click on Settings. In this window, the settings for the desktop app can be customized. Here, we can change the local storage location for the download manager. If you're like me and storage management on your primary drive is a perpetual battle, you can change this location to another larger local drive. Note that this location must be set to a local location. Click on the ellipses, then browse to a new file location and click Select Folder. The next option allows us to identify a common storage location for content downloads. This option tells the desktop app to place any downloaded content in this folder. Additionally, other users' desktop apps will check this location for necessary update files before attempting to download the files from the Autodesk servers. Check this parameter on and click the ellipses to navigate to a central location. This location must be a network location and accessible to all end users. This is also the location the desktop app checks when trying to decide if an update needs to be downloaded from Autodesk. The next toggle controls whether or not the desktop app shows pop-up notifications. If you don't want these messages, turn this off. The next toggle can be a little deceptive. Turning on Automatically Install Autodesk Desktop App Updates allows the desktop app to automatically install updates for the desktop app itself. This does not make application-specific updates like Revit, Navisworks, and Civil 3D automatically install. This only applies to updates for the desktop application itself. If this is toggled off, you will receive a prompt when a new update becomes available for the desktop app. Finally, if needed, you can set up your proxy settings by clicking on the Show Proxy Settings drop-down. Once you've customized the desktop application to your company's desired settings, you can export these settings to an INI file for other users to import. So an important note here, the INI file created captures all of the settings within this window, including the local location. This is, by default, a user-specific folder and will not be the same across workstations. If someone else were to try and import these settings, they would receive an error. So to prevent this file location error, you'll need to edit the INI file created during the export process. The INI file is simply a text file, so you can open it with a basic text editor like Notepad. Once open, select this line of text and delete it. Without this information, the local file location remains unchanged. Now you're ready to roll your settings out to your end users. Whether you do this by putting the INI file on a flash drive or a network location, all you have to do is use the Import button and navigate to the INI file. Well, I certainly hope this video helps you better manage your Autodesk Desktop app and makes your software updates a little more efficient. If you have any comments, please leave them below, and I thank you for joining me today for TPM's 4-Minute Friday. My name is Dan Warren, and I hope you have a great day.